Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hope you might have watched our previous video on health benefits of aloe vera.
In this video, we demonstrate how to prepare aloe vera gel curry.
Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel if not done earlier.
And please press the like button and give your comments in the comment box. Some of the health benefits of aloe vera are: it helps immensely in relieving constipation. It helps in relieving from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. It helps in relieving acid reflux. It rids your body of intestinal worms. It detoxifies your body. It lowers cholesterol levels. It protects your heart. It purifies the blood. It is an excellent natural antibiotic. It is an effective antioxidant. It acts as an anti-fungal. It reduces joint inflammation. It improves joint flexibility. It improves skin health.
Let us now demonstrate how to prepare aloe vera gel curry. The required ingredients to prepare aloe vera gel curry are:
aloe vera gel,
small onion,
fenugreek seeds,
tomatoes,
garlics,
turmeric powder,
tamarind,
curry leaves and mustard,
cumin,
salt,
oil. Get aloe vera petals from the aloe vera plant.
Remove the gel from the aloe vera petals.
Wash the aloe vera gel more than 10 times. This step is very important.
Light the gas stove and place the tawa.
Fry fenugreek seeds.
Grind the fried fenugreek seeds.
Pour oil and add the curry leaves and mustard seeds.
Add crushed garlic.
Add crushed onion, tomatoes, and fry them well.
Add salt.
Add turmeric powder.
Add aloe vera gel.
Add tamarind water.
Now aloe vera gel curry is ready.
Transfer aloe vera curry to bowl to serve.
Aloe vera gel curry is ready to serve.
Okay guys, you might have enjoyed with our video.
You may also check out our other health and entertainment related videos.
Thank you for watching.